Conjunctions or joining words. They connect words, phrases or sentences. Now let's see first conjunction and, which adds things together in a sentence. Example, she sings and dances. Here you can see and is used to join sings and dances together. Next conjunction but, which shows contrast, which means difference in a person. Example, I am small but I am strong. Here you can see two different qualities of a person, small, strong. We are using but to join these two sentences here. Next conjunction or, which gives choice. See this sentence. Shall we play cricket or football? Here two choices are given. So we are using or to join these two words in a sentence. Shall we play cricket or football? Next conjunction because, which gives reason. See this example. We stayed home because it rained. Here, what is the reason they stayed home? The reason is rain. So that we are using because to join these two sentences. We stayed home because it's rained. Next conjunction so, which shows result in a sentence. There you can use so to join sentences. Example, she studied well, so she got good marks. In this you can see she studied well, as a result she got good marks. So that we are using so to join these two sentences. She studied well, so she got good marks. Now I am going to show you some sentences. You are going to answer the sentence with correct conjunction. First sentence, my sister likes cats dash dogs. Yes, my sister likes cats and dogs. Second one, do you want juice dash milk? Yes, you're right. Do you want juice or milk? He is slow dash clever. Yes, you're right. He is slow but clever. Next one, I was hungry dash I ate a snack. Yes, I was hungry so I ate a snack. I am happy dash it's my birthday. Yes, I am happy because it's my birthday is right. So kids, conjunctions or joining words. I hope you all understand kids. We'll see you on our next video. Thank you.